27 Natural Health and Nutrition Tips that are evidence-based. 1. Limit sugary drinks. Unfortunately, findings from several studies point to sugar-sweetened beverages increasing risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes, even in people who are not carrying excess body fat. 2. Eat nuts and seeds. Some people avoid nuts because they are high in fat. However, nuts and seeds are incredibly nutritious. They are packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. 3. Avoid ultra-processed foods. Studies show that diets high in ultra-processed food can contribute to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. Examples include snack cakes, chips, fast food, frozen meals, etc. 4. Don't fear coffee. It's rich in antioxidants, and some studies have linked coffee intake to longevity and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, diseases, and numerous other illnesses. The most beneficial intake amount appears to be 3 to 4 cups per day. 5. Eat fatty fish. Fish is a great source of high-quality protein and healthy fat. Studies show that people who eat fish regularly have a lower risk for several conditions, including heart disease, dementia, and inflammatory bowel disease. 6. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can drive insulin resistance, can disrupt your appetite hormones, and reduce your physical and mental performance. Poor sleep is one of the strongest individual risk factors for weight gain and obesity. 7. Feed your gut bacteria. The bacteria in your gut are incredibly important for overall health. A disruption in gut bacteria is linked to some chronic diseases, including obesity and a myriad of digestive problems. Good ways to improve gut health include eating fermented foods like yogurt. 8. Stay hydrated. Hydration is an important and often overlooked marker of health. Staying hydrated helps ensure that your body is functioning optimally and that your blood volume is sufficient. Drinking water is the best way to stay hydrated, as it's free of calories, sugar, and additives. 9. Don't eat heavily charred meats. Meat can be a nutritious and healthy part of your diet. It's very high in protein and a rich source of nutrients. When you cook meat, try not to char or burn it. 10. Avoid bright lights before sleep. When you're exposed to bright lights, which contain blue light wavelengths, in the evening, it may disrupt your production of the sleep hormone melatonin. 11. Take vitamin D if you're deficient. Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels can improve bone strength, reduce symptoms of depression, strengthen your immune system, and lowering your risk for cancer.
12. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are loaded with prebiotic fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. People who eat more vegetables and fruits tend to live longer and have a lower risk for heart disease, obesity, and other illnesses.
13. Eat adequate protein. Eating enough protein is vital for optimal health, as it provides the raw materials your body needs to create new cells and tissues. High protein intake may boost your metabolic rate, or calorie burn, while making you feel full. It may also reduce cravings. 14. Get moving. Doing aerobic exercise, or cardio, is one of the best things you can do for your mental and physical health. It's particularly effective at reducing belly fat, the harmful type of fat that builds up around your organs. Strive for at least 150 minutes of intensity activity each week. 15. Don't smoke or use drugs, and only drink in moderation. Smoking, harmful use of drugs, and alcohol abuse can all seriously negatively affect your health. If you do any of these actions, consider cutting back or quitting to help reduce your risk for chronic diseases. 16. Use extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest vegetable oils you can use. It's loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties. Extra virgin olive oil may benefit heart health. 17. Minimize your sugar intake. Added sugar is extremely prevalent in modern food and drinks. A high intake is linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Keep added sugar intake below 5 or 10% of your daily calorie intake. 20. Avoid artificial trans fats. Artificial trans fats are harmful, man-made fats that are strongly linked to inflammation and heart disease. Note that you may still encounter some foods that contain small amounts of naturally occurring trans fats. 21. Use plenty of herbs and spices. They not only provide flavor but also may offer several health benefits as well. For example, ginger and turmeric both have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which may help improve your overall health. 22. Nurture your social relationships. Social relationships, with friends, family, and loved ones you care about, are important not only for your mental well-being but also your physical health. 23. Occasionally track your food intake. Some people may benefit from working out how many calories they eat is by weighing their food and using a nutrition tracker. Tracking can also provide insights into your protein, fiber. 24. Get rid of excess belly fat. Excessive abdominal fat, or visceral fat, is a uniquely harmful type of fat distribution that is linked to an increased risk of cardiometabolic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. 25. Avoid restrictive diets. Diets are generally ineffective and rarely work well long-term. Overly restrictive diets actually lower your metabolic rate, or the amount of calories you burn, making it more difficult to lose weight. 26. Eat whole eggs. That they have minimal effect on blood cholesterol in the majority of people, and they're a great source of protein and nutrients. Additionally, a review involving 263,938 people found that egg intake had no association with heart disease risk. 27. Meditate. Stress has a negative effect on your health. It can affect your blood sugar levels, food choices, susceptibility to sickness, weight, fat distribution, and more. For this reason, it's important to find healthy ways to manage your stress. 88A.